My video is dedicated to help you get rid of the online scam that comes from the site worldwidedefense.com. Worldwidedefense.com is a deceptive site that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. This website tries to trick you into clicking on this allow button to show even more scary advertisements and scary pop-ups. And also another purpose of this website is to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. It's definitely a mistake to deal with all these pop-ups and to download anything they suggest, because their purpose is to make you download some programs that are not really decent. It looks as if they try to promote some decent software at the first glance, but when you click on this Proceed Now button, you may be brought to some other shady websites of a bad reputation, and they may promote another absolutely different program, not the one that was initially advertised. So there is something really misleading about all these pop-ups. You should not download or install anything that they suggest. I would recommend that you carefully research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get it on this official website combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and begin carefully researching and investigating your computer to identify and delete all other threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.